Less than 24 hours after receiving his sentence, Karmelo Anthony is in state custody. He was sentenced to 35 years in prison yesterday for the murder of Austin Metcalf.
That deadly stabbing happened at a Frisco ISD track meet last April, and it drew national attention. Now our Andrea Lucia live for us outside the Collin County Jail with where things go from this point.
Yeah, absolutely. Karmelo Anthony began his sentence here last night in the jail just next door to the courthouse where I am standing right now. A sheriff's spokesperson told me he was not housed with the general population of inmates, but wouldn't provide any additional details, citing what they consider to be security concerns around this case. Karmelo Anthony's transfer to state custody was expedited, according to the sheriff's office. It began early this morning. By 1:15 this afternoon, he had been picked up from the jail here, and he is now presumably in the process of being booked into one of our state prisons. Today, we also saw a notice of an appeal filed here in Collin County. That is the start of the appeal process, and generally just notifies the court and everyone involved of the intent to move forward with an appeal. The attorneys involved likely had an idea this was coming and may have been noting potential grounds for an appeal as the trial was going on. Today, we did speak to the prosecutor in this case, Bill Werski, and an appellate attorney who has been following along. And we asked both of them about one issue we've heard people speculate it could be raised on appeal, which was the absence of a black juror in this trial. Here's what they told us.
I can tell you that we really appreciated the jurors that we had. We had 12 actual jurors, and we had 6 more alternates, and they represented a diverse cross-section of our Collin County community.
Generally, the absence of a juror of a certain race in and of itself would not be a strong appellate point. On the other hand, challenging a juror, prospective juror, removing a prospective juror from the jury based on his race would be a very strong appellate point. Jurors are seated randomly by number. So if hypothetically in Collin County, the first 20 people seated as prospective jurors were all white males, the jury would likely be predominantly white males. On the other hand, if there were a handful of black people on the jury, and hypothetically if the prosecutor were to have everyone specifically based on being black, that would be a very strong argument to raise an appeal. So a lot of folks might think, oh, a jury of your peers means a jury that looks like you. No, it doesn't. A jury of your peers means a group of people from the community, period.
This appeal process isn't going to be a quick one. It could take weeks, even months, for the court reporter here to produce a trial transcript, and that is just step one in the appeal process to get it going. We do expect the appeal to be heard by the 5th District Court of Appeals in downtown Dallas. That's where cases appealed out of Collin County generally go. So that is where we expect any future activity in this case to be happening, and you can bet we will be following it. Reporting live here in McKinney, Andrea Lucia, CBS News, Texas.